Hi everyone, my name is Jen. I am in my final semester of the Ed Tech program, so I'm very excited about that. A few things about myself. I'm in my seventh year teaching at Houghton Lake Community Schools. Um, I teach social studies and history, and I've kind of taught it all. Sixth grade, ancient world history, seventh grade geography, eighth and ninth grade US history, and sociology. Even though I am in Houghton Lake, I'm originally from Grand Blanc. I got my undergrad degree at Oakland University. Um, so, three things about me. I got a quarantine puppy back in June, a yellow lab named Bo. That is a Michigan football reference. I know we've got some big sports fans. He is 9 months old, lots of energy, but I love him very much. Um, I am a big sports fan. I love Michigan sports, love football, Patriots fan, and I love hockey. Another thing about me, I love to travel. Um, so pandemics kind of put a damper on that, but hopefully I'll be able to get back out traveling soon. Was supposed to go to Utah last summer and visit some of the national parks. So hopefully maybe if not this year, the next year I can um, experience that trip.